Learn the shatter screen effect in 1 minute. First, import a video clip. Add your favorite music and the shattered effect overlay. At this point, you will see only the shattered effect. We need to remove the white parts so the background shows through. So, tap Blend Mode. Then select Multiply. Now, the basic shattered screen effect is in place. If the shattered effect lasts too long, tap Speed and adjust the speed points according to the music rhythm. Preview the result. Next, add a line of subtitles below the shattered effect. Tap Text. Create a new text box. Enter your subtitle and adjust its position and size. Pick a font you like. You may notice the font style looks too plain. To fix this, import another video overlay above the text layer. Tap Blend Mode, select Darken. And that is it. You're redone. Check out the final result.